continue with number 8. Desk. A desk. Number 9. Apple. An apple. Because apple begins with a vowel. An apple. Number 10. Hospital. A hospital. Again, if we review these, a desk means one desk. An apple means one apple. A hospital means one hospital. An umpire. Because U again is a vowel. An umpire. A hotel. A hotel means one hotel. An elephant. Again, N because E is a vowel. Remember, N is only used with an A, I, O, U, or E. An elephant, which means one elephant. A ring, one ring. And finally, 15, an astronaut. We would use N because astronaut begins with a vowel, A. And again, one hotel, one elephant, one ring, one astronaut. So remember, the indefinite article A or N means one. So now you're going to continue with the exercises. Remember to follow the rules and remember to understand that it's just one of each noun. And to use AN for N only if the noun begins with a vowel. Again, good luck, and I will see you for exercise number 5.